Please, Mr. Nedu, good morning. Please, I need your help. I have been listening to your program on Waziba FM. Please, I am tired of beating I get from my husband each time we have misunderstanding. After every misunderstanding, that leads to beating. After
Calm down.
After every misunderstanding that leads to beating me, he will come back and beg, and I will forgive him. The reason I'm calling for help now is that I am 6 months pregnant with our third child. We had another argument yesterday, and my husband beat me so much that his hand was not enough for him, and he used a cane to flog. He's getting worse by the day. Please, I need help. I don't want to die from his continuous beating and pressing my neck against the wall just because he wants to warn me if I do wrong. Please, you can reach me on phone number. Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
Mona, hear me. Because I don't check other messages when they say this one they a bit more serious. You did 6 months pregnant before you go lose the pikin, before one thing go happen. My brother Naya call this woman Nana wo. Nah, they laugh. As I call the woman, the first thing where I hear now, hello. I say, madam, my name na Nedu. I dey call you from Wazobia FM. Okay. You send us message about this thing. The way he take answer, I can't wonder. I say now because I say, madam, no verse so. Why you the answer?
I've been a wrong number.
And they disturb you. You send us message, more help you. We can't call you now. You can't do as if say one call will be Jehovah's Witness. One come preach to you. I be one come do marketing for you. One come beg you money. You say that was then. I said, what thing be that was then? He say, I'm okay now. I don't want. I'm okay now. It's okay now. I said, so more forget about him. He say yes. My question now say, I beg women we did there we they hear me. Why it be say una they comfortable with man where they abuse una? The man where they abuse una go abuse una because of say in get una mumu button. The man go abuse you, play you woto. In this woman case, she dey 6 months pregnant. Now the man every day, according to the message where she read, according to the message where she send, why I read one here. If una go understand in between this message, what do you mean? I say the man they increase gear every day. Yeah. Every time where a man beats him, they increase gear. From using hand to slap him, to wipe him, to getting cane. Normally, the guy they play him as if saying a guy she be. Why I talk so? Any small misunderstanding, according to her, the guy go bruise hand, pour her neck for war.
They pin him
for war. Meaning say they choke him. The woman come to say she no one die. Say every time when it happen, the man go come back, come beg her. Maybe the man go don't tell her, honey, my baby, let me lick your ear. It's not like that. Oh yeah, meet me in the room. Then go concert.
Do some kind of Haribos.
You get Haribos, Shandara. You get the point,
Okay, do you know if that beating, that be the thing where they work for them? He has to beat her first, then they will enter the room after.
How beating go work for you?
No, you get some ladies like that.
After beating,
really
go enter the room now.
Seriously enough, you get some ladies.
Ask one question first. Nedu, I don't see where somebody they date a woman, a girl. They don't date for a while. Now the girl ask her one question, say, "Black, say you not love me." He say, "How?" He say, "You never beat me once."
I did tell you that.
Why?
Yeah.
Why you want my beat you? He say because the first love which she ever get, the guy they beat her and they let her know say now who love you go beat you. You see that mindset, that conditioning. It don't call condition her to believe say love they go with beating. So now when she managed to come out from that relationship, this other guy when they touch her, she don't they take and say, so long as you know they touch me, you not love me, you not care for me, because somebody don't indoctrinate the same way that they indoctrinate religious belief for people, but say go bomb, go do this, go do that, they go without thinking. Now so love won't strong past that one self.
True.
Love strong past that one. So they don't condition some people mind like that. They don't believe. That's why you see the men where they sabi beat. Now they sabi beg pass. Now they sabi beg you pass.
And they
now
cry,
they sabi
Joy.
play low. They cry.
Mind bend. They don't bend their
Then they
mind.
cry.
They don't
Then
condition
they
their
sabi
mind.
Because they sabi condition women. And most of them are international players. If they toast here, even you they do, if you put your ear down, you go come to say you be baby. You want
No, because it don't make sense.
It don't make sense at all. And this kind of people, then make I tell you another thing. This kind of lady now, if you see correct human being, when we say they play and correct love, they go say this one a weakling.
yes.
You don't get condition. Program.
People like her, they don't like people where they feel control them.
Yes.
People where they feel choke them. You know.
Yeah,
But
na
now
condition. They don't condition her mind. Na mindset problem. She
you
need
want me to display
counseling.
my love for you?
People like that need counseling. They need to talk to them to realign their mind, reorient them again. Say no, that not be the right way. Anyhow, you take channel a woman to take start love first from her youthful age. The kind of love where she take start. She dey always follow that pattern till when somebody go can't change them again.
But you know
It
understand.
has to start
So
from
this
her.
very one, you know, say I
She need
say
to open up.
over the weekend she don't change her mind.
You don't change the guy.
But this
The
na
guy
person wey
don't.
take
The guy
her time.
don't. The guy don't use in tools.
In
Good,
code.
they don't use the tools.
Code.
This na person wey be say out of pain. Say the very long message. You just said that message now just at once that she just type and send you. She settled and type am from the bitterness
she don't
of
reason
her
am.
mind. Now she take type and call. But how come suddenly, just a few days she change her mind say she don't want anything.
The guy don't use tools.
That is good for him, yeah.
Long tools. Take sort out the matter. The height. She don't bring am to default setting. no. See. I'm more than not vex. So I beg all of now where they hear me. Now something when you be say me, I can never understand. Meanwhile, they hear so I like peace. I like peace of mind. E better man not get cover for pocket, but make I get my peace of heart. I dey cherish am die.
Again, Organo, let me tell you something. Now, what would they preach? You see all these ladies, all these small children, be say people they abuse when they're young. So now where they go be this? Maybe this person now, the papa,
They
the
beat the
worst-
Of
mama.
course.
Now, so it is start
Yes,
like that
yes.
too.
And
Maybe papa-
is it the way you talk? I go talk am and I go talk am again. We don't talk am tire on top this show. You see, and if anything go fit settle, 3 women dey here.
Yeah.
If peace go dey for anywhere, now women go decide
Women,
whether
yeah,
peace go
exactly.
dey, abi peace
Yes.
not go dey.
Now women they actually they marry men.
Now then they marry men. Now we they think say now we they marry them, but now women they marry
women.
men.
Now
Now women they if house one get peace, now woman go decide whether
Of course,
peace go dey that house or
Of
not.
course, you not lie.
If you will be guy, if you say you be sharpshooter, all the men for area know you, all the women now you they run all the girls for the area. The woman know before you even do your waka.
Of course.
Say she keep quiet now because of say she want make peace there
Make
for the
peace,
house.
yeah.
Now these women also. Now then they make society wetin society be.
Thank you.
And society they bad pass. Una women
Na
now
woman
they
who-
contribute to am.
them.
Now this thing wey happen so now una women cause am.
Exactly.
Because papa go dey beat mama for house. Mama go say, oh, I don't want to live because of my children. Now the children wey you no wan live because of, you get 2 sons, you get 2 daughters, or you get 1 son or you get 1 daughter for house. I don't talk am, I go talk am again. The man go dey beat the woman. The only thing wey the children dey see, na their papa always beating their mama,
Mama, yes.
or their mama always beating their papa, or both of them always
They
fighting.
fight.
Now e go reach point sometimes when you say because not be always beating. Sometimes laugh go dey. You understand the ones wey dey try package am. Now the children go come also see say their children don dey together for a long time. Then they fight, but they dey together. They don dey married for 32 years now. They don dey married for some years now. You go see that pikin go grow up with the mentality thinking say for the relationship to last,
She
beating
need
gats
to
dey.
endure
Both
whatever she dey
She
see
dey see.
inside. Make she still dey make she dey
You go
for long
see
like
even
that.
some people, some pastors, you go meet them say then they beat you for house. They go say we are going to pray about it.
Exactly.
We are going to pray about it. Stay there. If your parents can endure, you can endure.
So na spiritual,
now it's a spiritual thing. It's a family matter.
The day with people that go understand say because of says you be spiritual head not make you a counselor. You go better more separate those 2 things.
Go to my pastor for Abuja. I dey respect the pastor. Die when it comes to teaching. Pastor K, he dey teach fire, my brother. one day, you know that when he say after church, you come follow pastor, go house, you go arrange some things for house, all those things. My brother, that's why I did back of motor. Pastor dey in the drive, in wife sit down for chair. The children they still small, they sit down. Me I did this. I dey see the guy. Where I dey see the guy. I dey see the woman for corner. It be like say the woman can't tell am something. I don't know what the woman tell am. Omo
Snap.
Guy mood
you
change.
see the way the guy take talk to the wife. Baba, I fear. But that day I say,
Same pastor.
now the same pastor be this. Oh, as he do that thing, give the woman just bro.
Comportment,
The woman just comport herself, come calm. And as you just enter inside house, the woman do as if say nothing happen.
yeah.
Just go kitchen, go there arrange. Other people come, they call welcome. Boy, you don't know say they don't fight. The man don't tear eye.
Don't
Don't oppress her with
That
strong
same
word.
man. One girl what been they did that time, Ruth. Now she been there 5 years relationship before she break up with the guy. Now she did the other arm of the church. Me I did the other arm of the church. So we come meet. Because me I the like person with the working class when he be say in head the day. So we come connect because this person at the campus when he be say I for like even date. Now so me and the girl begin do friends. Whenever begin date to begin do friends. This girl one day come go meet Pastor K. Pastor K contact us. You know, so they like form counselor, relationship advisor. Come ask the girl, say so how far Ruth? So how far with relationship now? Because this because he know the person where the guy break up, which she break up with, where they did for 5 years. The guy to an architect. Now he can't the root contact and say the relationship don't go now. Say the person when they be say them be friends now where she they hope say something go say life day for the relationship will go happen. Say now with me now bro ma. How you do like? You know so bro they go bra. Say na bro ma now if he say relationship go fit happen with omo. If you see the way the guy take shot the thing down, you can say no. I will cancel that relationship. You are just coming out from a 5 years relationship. You need 1 year or 2 years break before you get into another one. Kill the relationship. Omo. Now so one day I can't go Pastor K house. He come ask me say, so I heard you and Ruth you are very close now. I say yes, that we hope to start dating very soon. I mean, I feel we're already dating. Say no, I will kill our relationship. She just came out. He tell me straight from my eye. He says she just came out from a 5 years relationship. You need to give her space at least 1 year to catch her emotions back. At least 2 years. My brother, I think say now I don't know say you don't already tell the girl. I can't go the girl house. My brothers, I go the girl house for the girl phone. My name na Treasure. My brother, when I check her phone, he don't change my name to Chinedu.
From Treasure to Chinedu.
Meanwhile, now you when they nearly beat your wife. And me, I not sabi touch woman for body. I not sabi beat woman. So you see the difference now. The question I want to ask all of you now is go take beg all of you now. Now say I beg. If women una way they there, why una prefer to stay for abusive relationship? See this woman case so now. Person they nearly kill you. If care not taken, this woman go send a message. I promise you, this woman go send a message
exactly
again.
now.
Some people they say, if I come up for this marriage now, waiting people go talk. Oh, what would they say?
Wife.
Even
some their family said go reject them.
What would they say?
We're supposed to be role models.
That's true.
Girl,
Family
you know,
members.
My parents they go drive me go back say I not get place for the house again say I get to go back to my husband. You see sef, even the family they reject.
My
they
brother, even
reject
for
husband.
church, then go give you back seat.
Backseat. Wow.
What we talking about? For church respect not go there again. Why it be say people they comfortably sit down on top abusive relationship, abusive marriages. When it be said they will beat you, beat you, you turn you to a punching bag. This you see this talk and not be talk when it be say we fit end up
exhaust.
Don't talk say some people they enjoy the beating.
Yes, now.
Yeah.
Than
They enjoy.
Not
No,
true.
me, I know they enjoy it personally, but there are some people where they enjoy it before they enter the other room. So
they don't condition them to that level. Yeah.
I know. They go.
They
go boost their feelings, and you know.
Now they set them for the mood.
The momentum go set. You go set well.
So that
your mood needs
they
to
go
be that
flog
bang,
you,
bang.
they go choke you, they go spank you
so
anyway you want them.
Once you are well set to receive the.
I don't understand. You said beating. Oh God, talk this way. Talk again.
For many people, that beating, that bad
No, not for many people.
No,
not for many people.
For some people,
for some people.
It sets them in that mood for the other room.
I did tell you.
So if they never beat you very
If they never slap you or they never
so that when you go to equator,
Now you see and say the same thing take us back to wetin we first talk. Say the pattern you take enter. You go call things say na normal thing. Maybe the
No,
see now listen now. You know they say and I said that beating they set them for the other room, abi.
No, that one they different. There are some people where them they beat like that. It's only for the husband side. But there are some people that the woman now she want time. Now she want her go work.
Everything that be still the orientation. Now the way you take start now, you go come. That person they just born the person. Cause just to say you just grow up. You just feel say now beat me first. You not get where they encounter that beating.
That is the same reason I did this, but I don't come across people like that. Right?
Yes, he did.
I don't come across ladies like that.
And
they look like they look like guy
as
weekly.
No, that was not that they enjoy it on a normal day. They will go enjoy it that make you come beat them. Now only when they want to enter the other room.
Nasty the way. Wait. No, wait. Make I understand something.
No, that was
wait. I want to understand something. Don't wait you are not going to talk now. Say, he get people when it be say. They not they beat them normally.
No, they don't go accept
but
it.
they not go accept the beating. But the only beating where they go accept now if they want na training
to
before they enter other room.
Go chop talking.
You don't watch again. You don't want 50 Shades. If you don't watch and you go understand what she they try to talk. Now watch that movie now. Where from start? The girl herself not sabi that pattern. Somebody teach her. Later she can't want that one alone. Now the same thing that they talk say somebody get to program.
So wait, not make I understand. Wait, because
you don't
so
understand.
I go see one fine girl now. I go see one fine girl now.
No, come on.
I go see one fine girl now.
Yeah.
Me and the girl go just enter room. Before we do, the girl go tell me no. You have to give me appetizer before the main course. So the appetizer now say I go blow and boom.
She might not tell you.
You go just say that
she not go tell you. Now she go just do some kind of thing. And she go provoke you. And she go provoke you.
Yeah. Then you now call the one verse.
You never hear BTSM.
Better she dey provoke you, they encourage you. Provoke you, they encourage you, they come. You come pick as a guy say, oh, like say this one won't make her do like that the first time. So you somebody do that for since.
Look at you see. If you do it like this now, it touch you.
Everything a mindset.
Hello, who dey on the phone line?
Hello.
I beg go talk to me.
Una good morning there.
Iyo sas, I beg help me for this talk.
They carry you go.
That can finish na good morning. That talk can finish. This is the thing where my sister talk now. If you not beat some people, their brain no go set. If you give the man chance to dey beat you, when he finish, he come back heaven and earth, say apologize. Some of them go say, because of the gift, he dey enjoy the gift. Some of them go say because of children. But the way it be now, me I no support am. If anybody come tell me say, see na beating they give am, I go tell her say, well, if you not come out, make you go take your peace outside. You go die. And you go rest in peace. So which one you go choose? Because the way it be now, you don't need to even tell it to come out. You go explain the two for her.
Give her life and death. Choose
because
here.
Because the consent you there your husband house, you can't pursue another person for you. Then another thing where they try to talk. Anyway, they look face. You slap me one, I slap you too. They will scatter like that. If you go keep hearing. That's so. Because one of my customers where they tell me, they say you also carry her and hit her. He said, don't push him here. What he give her to? What do you mean? I said, you too. What do you mean? I'm not your child and you are beating me. If you hit me, I hit you back. We lock the door. We fight to kill ourselves together. He said, it takes time. Oh, after the man tried him again, he give her back. He said, that was the end of beating in that relationship. They married. So, I don't know why women, they accept this kind of thing. Me, I'm not going. Either way I talk to my husband, present. He look me now say yes, so thank God say you know the big person. You give you one, give you two. That's what we go do.
Not be every woman get the kind your mind, sha.
They talk so because you know they talk and I say now waiting they agree for beginning. That was what I talk yes now. Because if they agree for beginning, then the children mindset go they say hey.
Go they
The
change.
one where I watch that day for internet, the family meeting.
Yes.
Not everybody will come with the pikin and everybody will sit down. Now the two children come they ask them.
Okay.
When daddy come back from work and gives him food, he go chop. I don't like your food. If you say no, I eat outside, go sit down. Then when he say come later, then he say no, you didn't remember. If you give me food and say I don't like it, I will slap you. Everybody just weak. The children they ask them for the family people will come. Say now so their papa they beat their mama. You see, they're weak. That was the end of that fighting that family. When women know they agree, maybe they know they accept. If you don't say you not fight back, enjoy carry your bag. Maybe they fight from far, from your papa house. They do one because this church where we not talk about pastors just now where they do counseling where they not give them. And even that Bible say separate shit from her. Go they fight her for that side. Do they talk say divorce? But now, when I go Old Testament, divorce they there. It's there for Old Testament. And New Testament all of us say because that one easy to switch for us. Go look Exodus. Go look down. You go see say any woman will not do well. Carry a load.
Carry your load, waka come out.
He did there. So make them know they talk that one. For me, for the way like anyone will not say better for you. I go tell you the truth. We'll see and hear. If you want rest in peace, no problem. If you want rest and live, no problem.
Yosas, thank you, John.
And so it is.
Thank you, Yosas. You go see most of the times you go see the one they go tell say God hates divorce. What thing they make person when they be say then they abuse, they always still sit down for inside the relationship or the union when they be say
they wound them
by the person where they wound them. By the person where they wound them. If you check that lady where they wear dark eyeglasses all the time, check and well. It could maybe and this is what they talk so not be only men where they beat women women where they beat men they I don't tell now the one when they be say I see when I they grow up mamogu
we will get one day for this our studio now
the man go beat the woman the man they work for KTL Kaduna Textiles Limited, KTL, that textile company. Yeah. That time. So the man, you know, he gets some men when they be say, na woman man them be. Not be say woman man, I say they behave like woman. Then they very, very
feminine.
They're not strong like man. They yok pro like not be say they do like woman no, but they yok pro like they not guess that man ginger. You're like that. You're
laid back,
very soft, very laid back man. You understand? This woman go beat this man. The man, sometimes the man go come back from work. You know, the man go do afternoon. From afternoon, last afternoon that time they go 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Come back for 10 o'clock for night. Once the man don't come back for 10 o'clock for night, sometimes I don't know whether not because of money they beat the man. I don't know. Then go they beat the man. She go they beat the man. The children go they join. They beat the man.
Wow. I know that one bad. I remember this one for first time that time, man. Wow. Sorry.
Nobody. If anybody, that time our caretaker, Papa Victor, go come outside, another language person, Papa Victor go come outside. She go nearly carry because she did drink Gouda. She go nearly carry the Gouda bottle to nearly one bust the guy head. So when they beat the man, nobody they chook mouth again. The next day, you see the man carry injury for face, they go walk something. No, everybody come they avoid they avoid them. They avoid even the children, the family because. Even the children say if you be person where beat the children for doing something, the mama go come outside. Leave my siren alone. Leave my siren. So rush. Everybody they avoid them. They don't say the man later die. Man later die, and the woman death not good. The woman died later now, but her children now all of them don't scatter everywhere.
Now there they go because you see say exactly you know say you don't give them now a wrong orientation because they join they beat the papa be.
They join they beat the papa.
Imagine.
They join they beat
they don't get sense. They don't get sense to know that you know right.
Make we make something known to our people. Make their eyes still open small because. Like you talk, a lot of them go tell you say after I make a vow between me and God. Yes. Understand this word where you they talk if you want marry e no dey biblical at all. E no dey your Bible.
With that word,
for richer, for poor, for better, for what? The death do us part.
I joined the
vow.
for richer, the vow.
The vow no, e no dey Bible. Na one man when he name na go do your own research. The man name na Thomas Cromwell. In 1548. Now they look and say, may they get something they go dey talk if person wan marry. Just like the way once president want to enter a position now, they go get oath so they go just read. Now so they take form am. So okay, as Christian, maybe they talk this thing before we marry.
But so women now go
there's some now they take and say, na God now bring right and give us.
I took a vow.
Which vow?
Before God.
Yes,
who dare you say na God dey for every.
They'll tell you say witness dey there.
Hello, who dey on the phone line? My sister in the Lord, talk to us.
Good morning, dear.
God, good morning.
I want to remain anonymous.
Anonymous. So tell us why people they stay for relationship, marriage, or relationship where they abuse them.
My brother, that one are their own. No, now my own, I won't talk my own experience.
Talk your own.
Okay. I married in 2006.
2006, okay.
So, yes, that is how my husband started. Bad goes beating me. Today he will carry cutlass. Today he will carry hammer. This thing and that. I'm a strong member for Catholic Charismatic Renewal Roman Catholic.
Okay.
So I started asking myself, for me to leave this marriage, they will say, sister, you do this, do that, my brother. I started hearing, it's that's not this woman, the woman that you. He would finish, he would come and beg me. He even beat my sister Joy.
He beat your sister Joy?
Yes, and that sister supposed to be my mother because my mom is late. Yeah. So I pack my load. I carry my 2 kids. I have a boy and a girl. So when I went to my sister's house, he came there. He said that we'll go dragging me. My sister said, what is the matter now? He didn't even allow my sister to talk. He beat my sister John. He do this. So I left him 2014,
Okay.
I left him. So I'm on my own now with my 2 kids. I know that things will not be easy, my brother, but I ran for my life.
You get your peace of mind.
Because had it be that I'm still there now, I don't think I'll be alive talking to you now. So my advice to every woman there, because it's the same thing I was thinking too. How can I leave this thing? The people will say me, believer, this and that. My brother, nobody tell me when I ran for my life.
A believer.
I know it's easy. I'm managing with my 2 kids. My first child is necessary now.
You see?
So, and the second one also, he just wrote junior YN.
You see?
So, that is it. So anybody that wants to die, you don't load. Now, maybe they don't bury him.
Oh!
So that is it. So now, well done, them.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm a believer. I'm a believer. I pay my tithes.
I'm
covered. The devourer will stay away from me.
What I discovered that why a lot of women will still stay in an abusive marriage. I've been married twice. The first one for close to 9 years, I don't have an issue there. And the guy was like, go back to your people.
Yes.
And I was like, what will people say? How will I face people? Waiting I go do? How do I start my life again after almost 9 years? But I brace up myself. But another thing, one thing that helped me was my family.
Yes.
I had people to go back to.
Yes.
Which a lot of women don't have. So when we go back home, mommy, this is what I am facing. Go back to your husband's house. You don't marry, you don't marry. They don't want to listen. You don't marry, you don't marry. Go and face it. I face it with your father. If families can be educated, that when your daughter comes back home, oh, mommy, this is what I am facing, let them accept them back. An aborted marriage is better for the girl or the lady to die in that marriage.
Yes.
After 2 years, I remarried. I didn't want to remarry myself. They were like, oh, won't you have a child? Luckily, I had a child in the marriage.
Yes.
This one was now worse. Every day beating. It was like, oh, we have to go and swear, Babalawo, you are sleeping with everybody, blah, blah, blah. I became something else. Until my mother called me one day that is this how I'm going to die in this marriage. It was my own mother that encouraged me, that lived that marriage. And my family, they stood by me. That no, you can't continue like this. It is not by force that you must marry this guy. And I made up my mind, I left. But I tell you, Oganedu, if my family not stay with me, where will I go to? Where I won't start from? Who will accept me? Family first. Nobody wants to die. Everybody wants to enjoy their marriage. Somebody that has 2-3 kids, where do you want the person to go with 2-3 kids? The woman you read the SMS, I bet you that woman must have thought of it. Like one of your guys said that she took her time to write that SMS, sent the message, and within few hours or whatever, she changed her mind. She must have thought so much about it. Where I go carry children go? Who go help me? Who won't accept me? You know, that stigma of, you left your home, you left your husband. The society is here to embrace a lot of women that are going through abuse in marriages. And that's why some will say, let me kukuma stay there and cover my shame. Let me stay there and stay with my children and suffer this thing. If only our society will give women room, come back home. We'll take care of you. Come back home, you start afresh. Marriage is not a do or die affair. I tell people, I'm 43. I'm not even thinking about marrying again. I have a daughter. I want to live my life. I want to enjoy my life. If I die, the man will remarry.
No be lying.
Of course.
If not the man die, the woman will remarry. Even the children you are crying, my children, they will grow up. They will move on with their life.
No be lying.
So that's my take.
Thank
you.
Thank you very much.
Thank
you. Thank you. You see, talk.
Different factors, societal factor,
Family.
parental,
They
family
call
factor.
not the family to me. They call not the family to me. Because if you check,
religious factor, my church I be so person.
Different
Can they go-
factor.
Everything on all fronts, the Nigerian system, it be like say they play against a married woman where they abuse. To come out, you get to think all these factors.
My brother, I hope say with this few points of ours, we've been able to convince you not to confuse you that marriage will not, you must not die inside.
You must not die inside marriage.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.